Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another video. If you're wondering what this is actually Jelly Truck 4, as you probably figured out by the title. And if you're wondering why I'm at Mission Failed, we'll get them next time video, well, it's because I see here the Juicy Memer 8 minutes ago, when 8 minutes since I started this, said that they just subbed. So now we have 16 subscribers. Why? Couldn't you sub before I made this video? I mean, seriously? But anyways, let's get on with Jelly Truck 4. That's right, Jelly Truck Episode 4! Oh, this is a really fun one. We're on level 5 here. I've played this before, it's epic. Just watch. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Woo! Oh, dang it. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. Oh, you failed, it says. I feel like such a dummy. So this is really tricky, actually. I don't actually remember what we're supposed to do in this one, but it appears they want us to go over here. Maybe. I honestly can't remember. It doesn't look like I can make it up here. Let me get some more momentum. Ah! Come on, Jelly Truck. And now the game's lagging. Just great. Okay, we made it for once. And it does look like they actually want us to go over here, since I see those jelly gears from the last video. Go! Ah! How are we supposed to make it in here? Come on. What? How? How do we do this? Okay, I clearly do not remember how to play this level 5. Let's try this again. Are we supposed to, like, drive and tumble at the same time, maybe? This is just too hard. I seriously do not remember how to play this one level. Okay, clearly I don't think this is the level I was thinking of. Come on. No! Come on, Jelly Truck. Move forward. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Finally, we made it through. And now we're gonna get whacked by this thing. And this thing. And that's the end of the level? What? Sorry about that, my microphone fell over. Well, normally I only do one level per video, but since that was really short, we'll do another one and then end the video there. Ooh! Oh, I remember this. I definitely remember level 6 here. If we drop the cargo of jelly, we lose. So we have to go really careful here. No, 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 no! No, please, no, no! Okay, let's run through that again, shall we? There we go, nice and carefully. If you hear a lot of noise right now, it's because I'm just like spamming the up arrow button to go forward. But I'm like just going a little bit at a time right now. Come on, go forward, jelly tractor! No, no! Oh my goodness. Come on, jelly tractor. Oh gosh, it's tipping again. Woo! That was beautiful. Might want to slow down a little bit here. No, keep going, come on. No. Here's a question. If we're in a jelly world, why isn't the sun jelly? And those trees right there, why aren't they jelly? Or are they jelly? What about the ground? Is that jelly? If the line connecting the tractor to the trailer is jelly, shouldn't it have ripped apart by now? These are all questions you have to consider. Also, how do you sit inside the truck? I mean, wouldn't you just sink through the jelly? And in Jelly Truck 3, I asked the question, what do jelly vehicles run on? Is it sugar? I mean, these are all questions we have to consider. And we only got 1 star there. Because, I think we failed. And also we didn't get that good score. So, that being said, thank you for watching, everybody. This has been a fun video. Jelly Truck Episode 5 will be coming out soon. I think I'll do another challenge like I did in Jelly Truck Episode 2. If this video gets 5 likes, I'll make an Episode 5. I think that'll be fun. So, thank you for watching, everybody. As usual, thank you for subscribing and liking, and we'll see you next time.